What you doing, Jar? Don't, come on, man. Come on.
We are in the bathroom when Dory's going to the bathroom.
Come on, don't.
We are here waiting for Dory to come out of the bathroom right now. Look at her. Here she comes, guys. Woo! Hey, are you from Kennewick? Where are you from?
I'm from Mars.
Mars? Fucking killer.
Beam me up, Scotty. Him right there with no shirt. Take a picture of him. Right there, no shirt.
Speak to us.
The stunt.
Okay, Jose, it's recording right now.
You're taping me, man.
Am I dig? Hey, Richard, Darren, okay, well, don't squirt me. Hey, what's his name? Ginsha? Is that right?
Boxer, man.
Hey, you're on video!
Well, yeah, I can. You bet.
Work there. Quiet. I feel like it hurts sometimes.
Well, yeah. See, that's
Well,
what
I don't like him hanging around black people by himself. One time he got beat up. You ain't got me, though.
I'm recording you, though.
You're one of them.
Here, Joe. Do it again.
Why you holding it?
Slash NBA.
I'm looking at it while you're holding it. Hey, I see her.
Yeah, there she is, huh?
I'm gonna look at you. I want to look at you with it.
What do you mean, me?
You hold it this way.
Joe, you won't feel comfortable with yourself until you cock it.
What's going on? Yeah, right here.
Going.
Wait, huh? I didn't say anything.
I'm hungry too,
Why
Joe.
are you so offensive?
I'm not against anything.
I know, but nobody's even saying you're against.
Oh, too far. Whoop. It doesn't even work.
You gonna do the boat races with that?
Oh, yeah. Man, we tried to jump on it, but that didn't work.